So there's one other interesting thing we can do with find, and going back to the original description of find, we said, well, find returns the first position. There might be other occurrences, and we might want to find those other occurrences. The way to find those other occurrences is we can actually pass in an extra parameter. So instead of just passing in one string, we can pass in a second parameter, which is going to be a number. So when we pass in a number, what find will output is the number of the position in the search string where the target string appears, the first occurrence after that position. So we'll give the first occurrence where the target string appears in the search string, but starting from whatever position we pass in as number. So if we pass in 0, well, it would start from the beginning. That would mean the same thing as the original find. If we pass in the position here, it would start from there and would still output the same value we found before. If we start from here, well, then it wouldn't find this occurrence because this occurrence starts after that position. It would find this one. So here's an example. We'll use this quote attributed to Georges Danton during the French Revolution. Translated loosely, it means audacity, more audacity, always audacity. I should mention that Danton was actually executed, so whether you want to follow this advice or not depends on how you think things worked out for him. But if we do a find with Danton, passing in audace with no extra parameter, we'll get position 5, which is the position where audace starts. The first occurrence of audace is found. If we pass in a number as well, if we pass in 0, we'll also get 5. That's because starting from position 0, we find audace at position 5. If we pass in the number 5, we'll still get 5 as the result. Starting from position 5, we find audace at position 5. If we pass in a number higher than 5, let's pass in 6, well, now find is looking for an occurrence starting from position 6, which is here. Instead of finding the first occurrence of audace, it will find the first one that occurs after position 6, which is the one here at position 25. Let's just print out the string from position 6 to confirm that. So printing from position 6 to the end, we see that the quote is audace, encore, and so on. I'll spare you from my poor French pronunciation. And that's why it found audace at this location, which is position 25. The result always counts from the beginning of the original string, position 25 of the original string, which is where it found the second occurrence of audace. So if we pass in 25, we'll get 25 as the output, finding the position where this occurrence occurs. If we pass in 26, now it will start searching at position 26, which is the U here. We'll find at position 47 the final occurrence of audace. So seeing the string from position 47 to the end, starting from here, we see that. Now we're starting from position 48, which is this U. We'll get as our output -1. And that's because although the string occurs many times in the string Danton, it doesn't occur at all starting from position 48. And so the output of find when the target string is not found in the search string is -1. And that's true if we start from position 48, we don't find the target string at all in the search string.